Hey guys, have you ever considered owning land and having a home built? Well, if you did, then a USDA construction loan may be just the perfect fit for you. Here's why. Here are some key benefits to utilizing this type of loan. Number one, there's no down payment requirement, meaning you could finance up to 100% of the project. Number two, it only requires a minimum of a 640 FICO score. And number three, you only pay one set of closing costs. For added bonuses, there's no requalifying process at the conclusion of construction. And to boot, you do not have to make payments during the construction phase. Now, here are some major disqualifying factors. Vacation homes, second homes, short-term and long-term rentals, and commercial properties will not qualify. In fact, the property has to be located in an eligible rural area. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll show you where in Long Island you can use this.